So it's lunch break and there's a pigeon inside the silo.
Yep.
And so we're gonna go hop inside the silo and see if we can whack it off the top.
Welcome to Kids Outdoors.
This thing probably has like 1 ton of poop in it. Huh?
Do you see a pigeon?
Do you see him?
Yep, I see him.
All right, let's go.
Oh, that's a big one.
Oh, I see him. He flew. There is? There's 2? Make it quick.
He will fly soon.
Here, you want me to do it since it's heavy? Quick, dude, he's gonna fly. Watch out for that wire. Thanks. You sure you don't want me to do it? Here, lean it on this. Now, this thing, go on this side. Okay, guys, this is really stressful. Seriously, if you can get right here and lean it on here, it's a perfect shot. Here, give me the gun, climb over, and I'll hand it to you. Whoa, you just kicked it. Do not try to shoot it. It's too small. Okay, hold my breath.
Okay, pigeon down. I did not think I was gonna get him. I was shaking so much. I was like,
See, there goes his wing.
I'm not gonna get him. But
I wonder if you hit him.
oh boy, I hit him in the head.
Yeah, you did.
Okay, that's awesome.
Huh?
This is not as big as my first one.
Dude, you did a perfect headshot.
Yeah, no.
All right, let's go.
Woo! Okay, we got him. Look,
Hold it out so people in the window can see.
here he is. Close look at him.
Show them where you hit it.
Look at that shot. Right in the head.
Did you aim for the head?
I aimed for the chest, but looks like I was
You
well
were shaking too much. Well, at least you got it. First try, headshot.
Look where I shot.
Gray squirrel sniping, round 1.
Actually, round 2.
What are you wearing? I'm just kidding. You are a squirrel. Take your time, slave.
Yeah, I can usually. What is it? I need it. Oh, I need poison.
Sniper level 7.
Oh, I can usually kill it. Just need to get in the right position.
Alright, reload. Quick. Yep, reload quick. He doesn't know what happened.
Is that a fox squirrel?
No, it's a gray one. He's still on the tree. Quick.
Where is he?
Climbing down that main branch. Just wait for him. Wait for him to swing around.
I can't see him. I hit him.
Mia, darling, could you wait at the front door and be ready to run out and cut him off if you have to?
I don't see
Yeah.
him. The one that's kind of low.
Yeah.
I don't see him. Oh, I see him now.
Oh, yep, I see him. Alright,
Oh,
line it up. You hit him. Reload, quick. Mia, watch the front door.
We can't see him.
He went toward the trailer.
I'll be out. Keep an eye out.
Alright, load it. That doesn't mean he's lost. Don't you give up. Stay, Jack. You mighty Jack, stay. You mighty hunt. You have definitely wounded it. Alright. Snow is pretty crunchy. It's gonna be hard to see any tracks.
Is that him dragging?
Maybe. Yeah, probably. I think you're right. Plus. Where?
Oh, not that big. I need a
Here, use that tree back there. Behind you. Use your hand. Yep. Got him. Reload. Last pellet. Yeah. Yeah, good shot. He's still on that same tree. Here, go back to your rest over here. I think that's your best shot. Yeah, it's wide open. And just take your time. Put it on his head. Nice, easy squeeze. Take your time. I think that actually hit the tree. Here, I'll go get some pellets. Mia.
Is he out?
Video? Yeah. You guys will survive all done.
I see him. Not doing too good, if I do say so myself. He's right there. Same spot. He's not going anywhere. Now he's up there.
Digging?
Hey, is this a shot? His belly is very white. Did I do some pretty good shots?
Yeah. I saw the one shot you shot from over there. I saw smack him right in the side where it should go, so. Yeah, good job, guys. All right, let's bring him to the house. Good eye, Mia.
Bigger than I thought. He, not that big when I first saw him. Big man.
That is.
Thanks for watching this episode.
Make sure to smash the like button.
And subscribe.
And to support the kids, head on over to our website and pick up some sweet Kids Outdoors swag.
Together we'll pass on the